Today I will share with you a broccoli flour, simple and delicious broccoli egg cake. With a bottle of milk, it smells so good. First, we prepare $2 broccoli. Cut it into small pieces with a knife. Broccoli has denser flowers. Broccoli is hard to clean with simple cleaning. Because inside its flowers, it is easy to leave some dust and bacteria. There are even some eggs. We put the cut broccoli in a large bowl. Add a spoonful of salt to it. Then pour in a little more water. Soak the broccoli in light salt water for a period of time. This can effectively remove bacteria and impurities. Next, we will prepare another carrot. Peel off the outer skin with a peeler. Carrots are rich in keratin. Adding some carrots can increase the taste. After washing, cut the carrots into 2 pieces first, and then you slice them. And then you slice the carrots. And then chop them into little cubes. After all are cut, put it on a plate for later use. Prepare some shallots and cut them into scallions. After cutting, put it in a bowl for later use. Boil water in a pot. Add a spoonful of salt. Add a few more drops of cooking oil. We put broccoli soaked in salt water. Wash it carefully. After fishing it out, rinse it with water. When the water is slightly boiling, pour the broccoli into the pot. Add salt and cooking oil. It can make the broccoli more emerald green. And it doesn't turn yellow easily. Cook it for about 2 分钟 and it's almost there. We remove the cooked broccoli from the water. Put it in cold water prepared in advance to cool. Rapid cooling keeps the color of broccoli bright and unchanged. After getting cold, squeeze it dry harder. Excess moisture in broccoli. After frying, put it on the cutting board. Next, we will cut the broccoli into pieces. Chop the broccoli a little bit. After chopping it all, put it in a large bowl and set aside. Here we go. Beat some serious hen eggs into a small bowl. We take out the egg yolk inside. Then use chopsticks to crush all the yolks. Just stir until there are no particles. Then we pour the carrots into the broccoli. Add a spoonful of raw dried shrimp skin to freshen up. Add the egg whites. Then add a pinch of table salt. Sprinkle some pepper. Then stir well with chopsticks. Dear friends, you can see the video here. If you think my video, if it helps you, please extend your rich hand and give me a like. Your every message and forwarding is what keeps me going. Thank you very much for your support and encouragement. Stir well and add a spoonful of cornstarch to it. Add another spoonful of flour. Then use chopsticks to mix well again. While making this breakfast cake, don't add flour all the time. The pie will be harder that way. And then finally, stir to get the paste that you see in the video. Next, prepare a pan or battery scale. Brush a layer of cooking oil inside. Then scoop a tablespoon of broccoli batter and pour it into the pot. Each dough should be separated by a little distance so as not to stick together. Then use a spoon to smooth it out. Bump into a pie. Like in the video, just separate a little distance in the middle. This time, we use a spoon to press a small hole in the middle of the cake. Then pour the egg yolk in the middle. Then cover the pot. Turn on medium heat and bake for 7 分钟. After one side is set and turned golden, we turn it over with a shovel. Fry this omelette on both sides until golden brown. It's almost time. We open the lid. Wow! And there was this aroma. This time, our broccoli egg pancakes are ready. If you like crispy food, you can fry it for a while longer. Turn it back and forth more. Prevent burning. Hot into the video. In this way, you can turn off the heat and get out of the pot. Don't always fry broccoli when you buy it home in the future. Like me, make a nutritious and delicious egg breakfast cake. Both the elderly and children especially like to eat. If you like to eat meat, you can also add a little minced meat with a bottle of milk. Nutrition follows. And if you eat too much, you won't gain weight. If you feel good too, just collect it and try it. Well, today's video is shared here. If you like my video, remember to like and follow the message and forward it. See you in the next video. Thank you very much for your support. I wish you a happy life, good health,